All right, geometry. Let's do some harder 30, 60, 90 right triangle practice. So in this first one, I've got my 60-degree angle labeled, which means that this is going to be 30 degrees. So I see that I've got this side is equal to 5 root 3, which means that's going to be my x, which means that the side opposite my 60-degree angle right here is going to be x root 3. So we know that that side measures x root 3. So we can substitute 5 root 3 in for x down here. So we're going to get 5 root 3. That other root 3 is going to come down, and then we can simplify. So when we've got two roots being multiplied together and the same number underneath the radical cancels out. A root 3 times a root 3 is just a regular old 3. So I really have 5 times 3, or 15. So 15 is equal to V. All right. And so now for W, well, W is the hypotenuse. So W is equal to 2x. And we know x is 5 root 3. So we're going to substitute x with 5 root 3. And then we just need to simplify by multiplying the 2 and the 5. So W is equal to 10 root 3. Okay. In the next triangle here, we're given two side lengths, and we know it's a right triangle, but none of the angles are measured. But we can go ahead and we can label the angles based off the ratios that we know. So if I remember my ratios in a 30, 60, 90 right triangle, I know that the side opposite the 30-degree angle is going to be x, and the hypotenuse is going to be double that. That's what we've got right here. We've got 6 and 12. 12 is double 6. That means this angle right here must measure 30. This angle right here must measure 60. So since I know that this leg measures 6, the other leg must measure 6 root 3. We could have also done that using Pythagorean theorem, though, since we've got two of the sides. All right. Now for the last one, we've got the side opposite the 60-degree angle, so that's 18. So to figure out what my x is going to be, I need to set 18 equal to x root 3. Now, in order to solve for x, I'm going to divide by root 3 on both sides. And I end up with 18 divided by root 3. And this is equivalent to my x. However, sometimes we'll end up with an expression like this, and we can't have a radical in our denominator. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply by 1. And I'm multiplying by 1 in the disguise of doing root 3 divided by root 3 like I've written on the screen. So I've got 18 root 3 all over, and then I just need to multiply my denominators. Remember, a root 3 times a root 3 is just a regular old 3. And then we can do 18 divided by 3. Well, 18 divided by 3 is just 6. So another way to say 18 over root 3 is by writing it as 6 root 3. So our x is going to be 6 root 3, which means that my y is going to be double that. So 2 times 6 root 3, which means that y is going to be 12 root 3.